Don't be shy. Get your exercise snack in. No one will really notice in a big supermarket like this. So I really believe in the Mediterranean diet. There's a lot of science behind longevity, and one of the key ingredients is extra virgin olive oil. Try and go for a great quality for whatever you can afford in your budget. I usually go for this one, but I've got my eye on this one. This looks amazing. Try and go for bottles, not plastic, and I literally drizzle olive oil. I probably have at least 2 tablespoons a day, whether it's on my salads or if I use it to cook as well. Extra virgin olive oil is something I can't live without. I'm gonna squat up, deadlift. So let's talk beans. Beans are amazing. I love them. I love black beans. I'm trying to find, again, organic tins if I can. You don't need to spend hours cooking beans. These are already pre-cooked. Just drain the water. I love cannellini beans. I'm going to be stocking up on beans. These are fabulous. These are actually in glass jars. Chickpeas, delicious. You can just make your own hummus with that. And butter beans. I think I've gone a bit bean crazy here, but I'm loving all the beans. But before I put them in my basket, although my baskets are my weight, these are the perfect ones to just do a quick little arm exercise snack. If you've got the guts in the supermarket, it's nice and quiet today, might get a few weird looks. Perfect weight for some lateral raises, maybe a bit of balance snack as well, and some forward. Keep your balance, and then a curl and a press. Few little moves just so you can get in your little exercise snack in wherever you are. Got some ladies looking at me. Doesn't matter. I think they want to join in. And now my nice, try and lunge through. And then as you progress your strength training journey, try and lift a little bit heavier. That's a nice challenge. So, eggs. I'm vegetarian, but I really need the protein, the omegas. I try and go for free range, organic eggs. So we've got quite a selection here. I really like these. I'm going to come and grab a nice box of eggs. Eggs have 6 grams of protein. So for me, as a vegetarian, I need to have, a couple of eggs. Checking none are broken. Really staple in my menopause nutrition. Whew. It's getting hot with this extra weight training here. So once a day I have my green tea, really good for your brain health whenever we've got that brain fog, but also for long-term brain health, for preventing things like dementia and Alzheimer's. There's lots of studies backing this up. High in antioxidants, also great for controlling blood sugar levels. So really love a cup of green tea. Don't be shy. Get your exercise snack in. No one will really notice in a big supermarket like this. But remember, every little minute counts. Oh, I can feel those. Feels so good. Really love my lentils as well, and a great way to get these in easy. Just no excuses not to make home cooked food is to get pouches like this, pre-cooked, really easy to just chuck into a meal at the end of a long, busy day. This has got lovely grains in, and I really love quinoa as well as a great alternative if I don't want rice. Get your lentils in.